Most workplaces still reward quick chatter and endless meetings, leaving many introverts drained. But artificial intelligence is quietly flipping the script, opening a golden age for those who prefer deep thought over small talk. It's not just about faster processors anymore, it's about how tech changes the way we interact, making space for quieter minds. AI is evolving from a productivity hack to a genuine social buffer, adapting to a quieter way of being. We're seeing tools that help organize thoughts before presentations, or guide us through dreaded social events. This video maps 5 ways AI is making the world more introvert-friendly, reducing social pressure, offering predictable interactions, becoming a practice partner, boosting creativity, and fueling personalized learning. We'll break down the apps, the psychology, and the real-world impact. This is about more than features. It's about protecting focus and energy. The right tech can help quiet minds thrive in a world that's often too loud. Let's explore how AI is becoming the ultimate co-pilot for introverts. Here's how technology is quietly reshaping our daily lives. Let's start with social pressure, the anxiety of needing the perfect thing to say right now. For introverts, small talk is draining. AI chatbots are changing that. Think of them as digital rehearsal rooms, calm, non-judgmental spaces to practice conversations and organize thoughts. No awkward silences, no fear of saying the wrong thing, just you and the algorithm. People with autism and ADHD are already using tools like ChatGPT to navigate social situations, draft emails, and approach tough conversations. AI offers a predictable, logical framework for unpredictable human interactions, lowering the cognitive load. Studies show regular users of AI companions feel less lonely and anxious. Practicing with AI builds confidence, like a flight simulator for social skills. The mock interview market alone is worth $250 million, showing real demand for low-pressure, high-feedback environments. This is algorithm appreciation. Many introverts prefer the fairness and predictability of algorithms. AI doesn't judge, get tired, or rush you. It offers control and psychological safety. The chatbot becomes a trusted partner, helping you prepare for the outside world at your own pace. It's not about replacing human connection, but making real-world interactions less stressful. AI is the ultimate pre-game warm-up for the social marathon. It's a safe space to build muscle memory for conversation. With AI, you can crash and burn as much as you need, no consequences. When you step into real life, you're more prepared and less anxious. That's a quiet revolution for social confidence. Now let's talk about predictability, another introvert superpower unlocked by AI. Much social stress comes from the unknown. AI helps script out possibilities, giving you control before you walk in the door. For job interviews, AI analyzes job descriptions, generates likely questions, and helps structure answers. It can even analyze your tone and body language in practice calls, removing uncertainty. Instead of walking in cold, you have a game plan. Your skills shine, not your anxiety. This extends to doctor visits. AI helps you list symptoms, organize concerns, and generate questions so you advocate for your health calmly. In dating, 26% of singles use AI to draft opening lines or suggest low-pressure date ideas, breaking the ice without awkwardness. AI acts as a scheduler and planner, helping you budget social energy and manage your calendar. For introverts, this strategic planning is invaluable. It turns chaotic social life into manageable, predictable steps. Every bit of uncertainty AI removes frees up mental energy for real connection. It's not about being robotic, it's about handling logistics so you can be present and authentic. The AI does the prep work, you handle the human connection. It's a quiet background assistant for life. With AI, social events become less daunting and more manageable. You're empowered to engage on your own terms. Predictability means less stress, more confidence. That's the power of the AI predictability engine. What about creativity? For introverts, AI is the ultimate silent brainstorming partner. It never interrupts, never judges, and is always available to explore your ideas. You can dump raw thoughts into a language model and ask it to organize, outline, or challenge them. This is a game changer for deep, focused work. Many creators use AI to overcome writer's block and generate initial ideas. AI is a springboard, not a replacement. It helps structure your thoughts, turning a sprawling mind map into a clear narrative or compelling art. The non-judgmental nature of AI encourages creative risk-taking. You can explore wild ideas without skepticism. AI is a bridge from rich inner worlds to impactful work. It amplifies quiet thought leadership, letting introverts prepare ideas in solitude and present them with confidence. It's not outsourcing thinking, it's augmenting it. AI gives quiet minds a powerful amplifier. Your best ideas don't have to be the loudest, they just need the right partner. That's the silent power of AI for creativity. Next, personalized learning, where AI is a massive win for introverts. Traditional classrooms don't fit everyone, especially those who learn best at their own pace. AI tutors like ChatGPT create one-on-one environments tailored to introverted learners. You can ask questions endlessly, explore topics deeply, and never fear judgment. Studies show AI learning tools can boost outcomes by up to 30%. This is especially true for introverts who hesitate to speak up in class but thrive in private, detailed dialogues with AI. In the workplace, 65% of organizations now use AI for training, letting employees learn on their own terms. AI is objective, patient, and focused only on your understanding. It creates a low-stakes, highly effective learning environment. AI democratizes education, giving quiet learners a safe, personalized space to master new skills. Learning is uncoupled from social pressure. Introverts can engage deeply and thoroughly. It's custom-built education, delivered on demand. That's a revolution for quiet minds. So, what does this AI-powered future look like for introverts? It's not about hiding, but engaging with less friction and more confidence. AI reduces social pressure, offers controlled interactions, boosts creativity, and personalizes learning. It's a buffer against constant chatter and a tool for genuine connection. AI transforms daunting events into manageable steps, making life less overwhelming. It amplifies deep thought, ensuring the best ideas are heard, not just the loudest. Personalized learning empowers growth without social overhead. When you weave these threads together, you get a world more hospitable to introverts. Technology creates space for focus and engagement in a noisy world. The quiet future is here, and it's just getting started. The big takeaway? AI is the most significant advancement for introverts yet. It enhances our ability to engage on our own terms, reducing friction and amplifying our strengths. This is the golden age for quiet minds, where depth, focus, and thoughtfulness are finally celebrated. AI is the essential co-pilot for navigating a world built for extroverts. It's a software update for our social and creative lives. If AI is the upgrade for introverts, Text-Tease is the wardrobe version. Humor for the quietly clever. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.